How to make font size bigger on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Settings app on your phone. Scroll down, locate Display and Brightness. Open it, scroll down, and here you will see the font. Open it, and here is the current font style and the font size which has been set to small. To see the preview, you can see the top of the screen. So let's increase it. So we have made it to default and you can easily see the preview. If you wish to make it more bigger, you can easily tap on the slider and increase it to the right. And you can see that we have successfully made the font size bigger on Android. You can even change the font style as well. You can tap on more section and change it from here as well by tapping apply button. So that is how we successfully make the font size bigger on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.